when we gave a little grant, might have been $1,000 to some community so they could install a computer in their community hall. The thank yous we got from that. I'm Chris Nixon. I was the inaugural chairman of the Gardiner Foundation and remained in that role for 10 years. And we commenced when the Act had been passed, where we were told to act as an independent body for the benefit of the Victorian dairy industry and its communities. The areas we worked in were firstly supportive of people, leadership, dairy leaders, developing them into various schemes. Secondly, we put money into research and we insisted that that be leveraged. In other words, that we would put in so much money, and if the researcher, couldn't get support from the rest of the industry, then we wouldn't support the project. And then finally, the community area, where we worked in big areas and small areas. And one of the interesting things was that when we gave small grants to local communities, what that did was help bring the community together. So sticking with the computer, so suddenly a number of farmers don't know how to work a computer back then, in the early 2000s. So they would come together, somebody would train them and that sort of thing. They would learn about it, learn not to be scared of it, talk to their neighbour, and suddenly there would be computer literacy around 20 local farmers. The community loved it, and we would get invited to openings, we would get invited to Christmas functions, and it was just extraordinary how welcoming they were to these small amounts of money that we gave to communities.